down soon. They seem gone a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
So that right there will put us under 300 from the corner, about 250, right? Wind's in our face. Yeah, wind will be going crosswind. I'm going to put the call out here to the right to try to pull them out. If they just want to go to that, we'll use that little piece of grass right there for cover, right? I'm going to walk the call out here. All right. Can I be out here to your right? Yeah, you need to be just outside of me. Okay. Tell me you have one eye without telling me you have one eye. Be hard to see them out there. Yeah, they'll blend in real well. Okay, to the right. On the edge of the corn over there, on the right side of it. Probably gonna get our wind. I don't know, it hasn't yet. Rookie cameraman here. It's right on the edge of the corn still. Good news is, coyotes don't have good ears, so you're lucky. Has he heard the bird from 400 yards? Yeah, he's coming. One. Okay, I got him. You see him? Yeah, there's one. Going right to left. He can't get our wind now. No. He keeps looking back though. Yeah. I was looking at the car. Yeah, big pretty one. That car's gonna screw us. It'll go by and it'll be fine. Hope so. He's like, how hungry are you? Yeah, he keeps looking over here and looking at the truck. If anything, it's gonna push him this way. Here he comes. He's coming. I don't know if he's running to the call or from the truck. Is he going past the call? Past the call.
You want me to stop him?
No, we're good. Let him come all the way to this edge. He's looking for the call. Stops, kill him. He's on the call, kill him. No, don't do that. There you go. Were you supposed to shoot him?
Did you not learn your lesson from last time lip squeaking at them?
Well, he was looking away. You're allowed to lip squeak if you do it once.
He's on the call.
Yeah, I saw the call in the...
It was in frame.
Yeah, I saw the call in the scope. Why am I shaking?
That's my first coyote.
Patience.
Watch this.
Patience.
This is a great video.
You're allowed to lip squeak if you just do it to stop them. Once they stop, don't keep doing it.
Hey, good shot.
Hey, thanks.
It's not bad.
Hey, great video.
Hey, thanks.
Thanks for hitting record this time.
I hit record this time.
You won't tell anybody about the one you missed.
Yeah, no, that's getting edited out. All right, we'll walk out here and take a look at this thing. What was fun about that coyote came from 400 or 500 yards across the wide open field. It's a bird distress, MFK Goody Woody woodpecker. If I'm running prey distress, it's either woodpecker or coonfight. Those are my two go-tos. Rabbit kills a lot of coyotes, but I've done really, really well with that woodpecker distress as my primary prey distress. But that coyote covered a lot of ground, and he was right on top of the call at one point, too close to the call. I think he saw it and kind of spooked a little bit. Luckily, we were able to stop him long enough for Justin to put one in his head, in his ear hole. That's a big coyote.
Yeah, good looking one.
Yeah,
There we go.
that's a good one. Good start to the day.
Yep.
Oh yeah, that's your entry, right?
Oh,
right,
yeah.
right in the back of the head. Perfect. It's not real old, just real healthy. Was it a male?
Yep.
It looks like a male.
Good sized male.
Hold it up.
Just a little hungry this morning.
Yeah, that's a big coyote. That's what we like. Starting to fur up a little bit.
Yeah. So he looked good as soon as he came out
Yeah.
of the phone over there.
Yeah. Yeah, we
He
haven't.
was looking at that truck going by.
Yeah, that truck. I thought that truck was gonna mess us up. For some reason, he turned around, but the coyote was, like Justin said, debating if he was hungry enough to deal with traffic. But
He was 85 from us. And the call's right there, another 15 yards away.
yeah, say there's the coyote where he died, and this camera's set to wide angle. What was that, 12 yards, 15 yards maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah, and at one point he was 2 or 3 from it.
Yeah.
He was right on top of it.
Yeah, I was getting ready to pull the trigger, and in the scope I had the coyote and the call in the same frame.
Yeah, that's it's fun. I just had this conversation on the phone with a guy yesterday. We were talking about call placement and turning the call on and off, and if we kill the call or let it keep running, or if the coyote is coming, I kill the call. If it hangs up, I give it just enough to get it moving again, and then I shut it back off. And you could see on this, I mean, it was literally like a remote control coyote.
Yep.
Every time you turn the sound on, he'd move a little bit, trying to figure out where it's at. He got right on top of it. Wish it was always that easy.
That was a fun one. Which patience had a lot to do with it too.
Yeah.
Once he got in line with some farms, over a mile away, we just kept waiting until he, cleared them. And
yeah, and
he said you had to just keep turning that sound on and off. And
yeah, anytime there's houses or barns or anything in the background, we don't mess with that. Too many weird things can happen.
Have we had any coyotes get away because of houses? Insert clip now.
Yeah. We hunted a few weeks ago. We had this beautiful coyote come in from a long way, perfect, got in line with the house, and well,
10 minutes.
You'll see. He stood there forever and spooked and got away, and we didn't get anything except a pretty coyote pissing on a cornstalk. I think that's all we got.
We got beautiful footage that morning.
Right. All right, we got two or three more good stands lined up. We're gonna grab a picture, get out of here. Look at that! Look at that pretty sunrise.
Another one for your one-shot rifle, bud.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
2 for 2, 100%.
Justin hasn't missed. As a matter of fact, that rifle hasn't missed yet.
Don't say that.
We're 100%. Even clients have hit with it.
That's awesome.
Yeah. If you guys are looking for a custom rifle, check out Jake. Jake at One Shot Rifle Systems out of Ohio. He builds some phenomenal guns. I'm running one. Justin's running one. Nate Standifer, Nathan Cushman's running them. We got. There's a crew of killers running these rifles now. They shoot as good as they look. All right, we're gonna go shoot something else. Thanks for watching.
I came from the mud.